Looking for the best Forex broker to kickstart your trading journey? Whether you're after no deposit bonuses, low trading costs, or just want a reliable platform to grow your skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best $1,000 no deposit welcome bonus brokers. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Admirals. Admirals is a renowned financial brokerage firm that has established itself as a prominent player in the global financial markets. With a commitment to providing comprehensive trading solutions, Admirals has become a trusted destination for traders seeking a reliable platform to navigate the complexities of the financial world. Admirals offers a diverse array of trading instruments, providing a comprehensive platform for investors to explore and capitalize on various financial markets, which include Forex, commodities, indices, stocks, exchange-traded funds, bonds, and cryptocurrencies. Admirals prides itself on delivering a user-friendly interface and advanced trading tools that empower users to execute their strategies effectively across this extensive range of trading instruments. The broker offers a cutting-edge suite of trading platforms designed to meet the diverse needs of traders across the globe. And these are the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms. Their platforms are accessible across various devices, including desktops, tablets, and mobile phones, ensuring traders can stay connected to the markets anytime and anywhere. Admirals offers a range of carefully crafted trading account types to accommodate the diverse needs and preferences of traders. Tailored to suit various trading styles and experience levels, these accounts provide a comprehensive and flexible trading environment. These include the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 account types, with demo and swap-free Islamic account options. Regardless of the chosen account type, traders benefit from the advanced technology, educational resources, and comprehensive support that Admirals provides. Admirals is committed to empowering traders with knowledge and skills, offering a comprehensive array of educational resources to support their journey in the financial markets. These resources cover essential topics such as market basics, trading terminology, and risk management. They also provide interactive webinars and tutorials, which further enhance the learning experience, ensuring that beginners can navigate the complexities of online trading with confidence. The educational resources at Admirals are not only informative but also practical, equipping traders with the tools they need to make informed decisions. Overall, Admirals stands as a trusted and innovative force in the world of online trading, committed to providing a dynamic and user-friendly platform for traders of all levels. With a diverse range of trading instruments, cutting-edge platforms, and a wealth of educational resources, the broker empowers traders to navigate the financial markets with confidence and expertise. Whether one is a beginner seeking a solid foundation or an experienced trader looking for advanced tools, Admirals caters to a wide spectrum of needs. The platform's commitment to transparency, security, and continuous improvement reflect its dedication to delivering a superior trading experience. At number 4 on our list is Forex. Forex is a dynamic and innovative online Forex broker dedicated to providing a cutting-edge trading experience for its global clientele. Forex's commitment to offering a secure and regulated platform ensures that traders can navigate the Forex market with confidence. Whether you're a novice or an experienced trader, SuperForex's user-friendly interface, educational resources, and trading tools make it an ideal destination for those seeking to capitalize on international currency markets. SuperForex offers a diverse array of market instruments to cater to the trading preferences of its clients. Traders can access a variety of financial assets through their platform, including major and exotic currency pairs, commodities such as gold and oil, global indices, and cryptocurrencies. This extensive selection of trading instruments provides traders with the flexibility to diversify their portfolios and explore various trading strategies. SuperForex extends a warm welcome to new traders with its enticing welcome bonus offer. Upon registering with SuperForex, traders are greeted with an exclusive welcome bonus that serves as an extra boost to their initial deposit. This bonus provides traders with additional trading capital, enhancing their ability to explore the markets and place trades, and potentially increase their profits. Featured platforms are available on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, as well as the proprietary SuperForex mobile application. The accounts they offer are categorized into straight-through processing and electronic communication accounts. Their SDP accounts include the standard, swap-free, no-spread, micro-cent, Profi SDP, as well as crypto accounts. Their electronic communication network accounts include the standard ECN account, standard mini, swap-free ECN, swap-free mini, and the ECN crypto account. SuperForex's ECN accounts provide traders with a direct connection to a network of liquidity providers, resulting in fast and reliable order execution. These account types are ideal for traders who require top-tier market access, transparency, and competitive pricing. SuperForex offers a valuable array of educational resources to empower traders of all levels with the knowledge and skills they need to succeed in the dynamic world of Forex trading. The broker provides a variety of educational materials, including informative articles, video tutorials, and webinars, covering topics ranging from the basics of Forex trading to advanced trading strategies and analysis techniques. This ensures that both beginners and experienced traders can access relevant content to enhance their trading skills. Furthermore, SuperForex's educational resources are readily available on their website, making it convenient for traders to access the information they need to make informed trading decisions and improve their overall trading proficiency. Coming in at number 3, we have RoboForex. RoboForex is a leading online brokerage firm renowned for its innovative and comprehensive financial services. With a global presence and a strong commitment to providing traders and investors with cutting-edge tools and resources, they empower individuals to navigate the financial markets with confidence and competence. RoboForex offers a diverse range of trading instruments to cater to the needs of traders and investors. In addition to the standard Forex offerings, RoboForex provides access to a wide variety of other assets, including commodities, global stock indices, cryptocurrencies, and more. RoboForex's trading instruments offers a gateway to a world of trading possibilities. They provide enticing promotions designed to enhance the trading experience for their clients. With a commitment to delivering added value, RoboForex regularly offers a variety of promotions that may include bonuses, cashback rewards, and other exclusive incentives. These promotions serve to provide traders with additional trading capital and advantages, helping them make the most of their investment strategies. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as the proprietary R Mobile, R Stocks, and R Web Traders. RoboForex offers a diverse range of trading account types, tailored to meet the specific needs and preferences of traders, whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor. RoboForex has an account option for you. Their lineup includes Prime, ECN, R-Stocks Trader, Pro Cent, Pro, as well as Demo and Islamic account options, which are each designed to provide unique trading conditions and advantages. RoboForex is committed to empowering traders with a wealth of educational resources. Their comprehensive collection includes webinars, video tutorials, articles, and more, all designed to enhance knowledge and skills. Whether you're a novice looking to learn the basics of trading or an experienced trader seeking advanced strategies, their educational resources cater to all skill levels. By offering these educational tools, RoboForex equips traders with the knowledge and insights needed to make informed decisions and succeed in the world of online trading. At number 2 on our list is XM. XM, one of the most well-established and globally recognized Forex and CFD brokers in the industry, was founded in 2009 and has grown to serve millions of traders worldwide. The broker offers an excellent range of tradable instruments, including Forex, indices, commodities, precious metals, energies, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. XM supports both MetaTrader 4 and 5, giving you access to two of the most popular trading platforms in the market, with fast execution, a wide range of indicators, and analytical tools. XM's mobile application gives traders a fast and convenient way to trade over 1,000 instruments on the go. It features real-time pricing, quick execution, advanced charting tools, and customizable price alerts. The XM app delivers a smooth and reliable mobile experience, while including built-in market news, analysis, and strong security, all while delivering a smooth and reliable mobile trading experience. Their account options include standard, ultra-low, and shares accounts, alongside demo and Islamic account options, with minimum deposits starting from just $5, making XM accessible for new traders while still offering advanced features for experienced traders. The broker is regulated and trusted by multiple authorities, including the CYSEC, the ASIC, the DFSA, and the FSC internationally, ensuring a secure and transparent environment. They offer strong client protection with segregated funds and negative balance protection, giving traders added peace of mind. With powerful platforms, low entry requirements, strong regulation, and a commitment to trader education, XM delivers a balanced and user-friendly trading experience for traders of all levels. If you're looking for a versatile and reputable broker to support your trading journey, XM is one worth considering. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best $1,000 no deposit welcome bonus brokers, we have InstaForex. InstaForex, a renowned online Forex broker, stands as a global leader in providing a comprehensive range of financial services for traders and investors worldwide. Established with a commitment to innovation and excellence, InstaForex has emerged as a trusted platform for individuals seeking to participate in the dynamic world of Forex trading. The broker provides a diverse and comprehensive range of trading instruments that cater to the dynamic needs of traders on its platform. These instruments include Forex, shares, indices, commodity futures, oil and gas, cryptocurrencies, and Insta futures. Whether traders are looking to engage in short-term intraday trading or adopt a long-term investment approach, InstaForex's diverse range of currency pairs caters to various trading styles and preferences. InstaForex offers a state-of-the-art trading experience through its versatile and user-friendly trading platforms, providing traders with powerful tools to navigate the dynamic financial markets. These platforms include the MetaTrader 4 platform, the MetaTrader 5 platform, the multi-terminal trading platform, and their proprietary WebTrader trading platform. Whether traders are novices or seasoned professionals, the InstaForex platforms caters to a diverse range of trading styles and preferences, for those who prioritize accessibility and functionality in their trading activities. Traders can choose from an array of trading account types, each offering unique features and capabilities to enhance their trading experience. These accounts include the Insta and Cent, Standard and Eureka accounts, with Demo and Islamic account options. Whether traders are beginners or seasoned professionals, InstaForex's range of trading platforms and account types ensures that they have the tools and flexibility needed to navigate the financial markets successfully. The broker also offers a wide array of educational resources, which encompasses a variety of formats, including articles, tutorials, webinars, and video content. These materials cover fundamental concepts, technical analysis, risk management, and trading strategies, offering traders valuable insights into the complexities of the financial markets. InstaForex actively also promotes practical learning through demo accounts, allowing traders to apply their required skills in a risk-free environment. This hands-on experience helps traders gain confidence and proficiency before venturing into live trading. Overall, InstaForex stands as a distinguished force in the online trading industry, offering a comprehensive suite of services and resources to cater to the diverse needs of traders worldwide. With a commitment to innovation, transparency, and client satisfaction, InstaForex provides a user-friendly and secure trading environment. Whether one is looking to delve into the world of Forex trading, explore diverse financial instruments, or enhance their trading skills, InstaForex offers a dynamic and supportive ecosystem. The broker's continuous efforts to stay at the forefront of industry trends, coupled with its global outreach and community engagement, position InstaForex as a leader in fostering a thriving community of informed and successful traders. And those are some of the top 5 best $1,000 no-deposit welcome bonus brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.